2012 Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price. Agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, tachometer, power moonroof, overhead console, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.